Hello everyone, myself Dev Gumbar and I am representing Workshop 5, Group 3, APS 145, Section ZBB. Welcome to my presentation. The presentation topic is the self-checkout system. In this presentation, we'll get to know about how to use a self-checkout system after buying different kind of products. Firstly, what do you mean by a self-checkout system? A self-checkout system is a program mechanism for the user to scan their own goods and pay themselves without any usage of cashier. So, here are the advantages of self-checkout system. First, the self-checkout can reduce the length of the checkout lines and that of the waiting time. Second, providing customer with an opportunity to complete their own transaction without need any extra staff. In general, the self-service checkout equipments take up less space and can serve many more customers than a standard checkout counter. Before moving towards the solution, let us see some of the terminology. There are two types of products in the store. First one, the perishable one. A perishable food that got spoiled and decay easily and become unsafe to eat and need at least 40 degrees Fahrenheit to get preserved. Examples are vegetable and fruit. The second one, the non-perishable one. A non-perishable food has a long shelf of life and does not need any refrigeration to preserve it. For example, the canned milk and the dry food. Now, let us see the working of self-checkout system. Firstly, the customer will collect all the required items and then he moves towards the self-checkout machine. After reaching towards the self-checkout machine, he put his cart or basket near to the machine. Then he start the checkout machine. Now bring out the items from the cart consecutively. Check the item whether perishable or non-perishable. The non-perishable items has SQO barcode, whereas perishable one has no SQO barcode. Now let us start the scanning process. If the item is non-perishable one, then scan the SQO barcode with the help of the scanner. Then the amount of the scanned item will add directly to the total amount. Put the item into the bag and then bring out the next item. If the item is perishable one, then there is no SQO barcode. Enter the item code or click on the quick search button and place down the item on the screen. Once the item got weighted and scanned, and then weighted item gets multiplied by the store price. The weighted items comes on the self-checkout screen and adds to the total amount automatically. Put the item into the bag and bring out the next item. The customer will repeat the process until all the item got scanned. When all the item got scanned, place the item in the carry bag in the packaging area. Now, moving towards the next step by mentioning how many bags did you use today. If used, then print out the number of bags which is used. If none, then choose to proceed. Once the total on the screen got summed up automatically and is shown to the user on the self-checkout screen. Now, press the checkout. Then, how would you like to pay? There will be a different option, will be like credit card, debit card or cash. Then, pay according to your choice. Now, collect the baggage from the bagging area and you good to go. Why this solution is best? First, our first objective was to describe the problem and then explain it very clearly and incomprehensibly. Second, in our explanation of the self-checkout system for the two types, the perishable and the non-perishable, of merchandise we explain how it works. Also, the various benefits of self-checkouts are also mentioned. Thank you for watching.